Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get paid from Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees around the world. If you're a freelancer or contractor, you can also use Deel to get paid. In this video, I'll cover the following topics. What is Deel? How to create a Deel account. How to add a bank account to Deel. How to receive a payment from Deel. Deel fees. Deel alternatives. What is Deel? Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees around the world. Deel handles all of the paperwork and compliance for you, so you can focus on your work. How to create a Deel account. To create a Deel account, go to the Deel website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and password. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. How to add a bank account to Deel. Once you've created your account, you can add a bank account. Deel supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and Payoneer. How to receive a payment from Deel. To receive a payment from Deel, your client will need to create an invoice for you. Once the invoice is approved, Deel will send the payment to your bank account. Deel fees. Deel charges a fee for each payment that you receive. The fee varies depending on the payment method and the amount of the payment. Deel alternatives. There are a number of Deel alternatives available, including Payoneer, Upwork, and Fiverr. Deel is a great option for getting paid as a freelancer or contractor. It's easy to use and it supports a variety of payment methods. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.